Hello everyone, I hope that you have a good start in the year 2026. For myself is I'm trying to pick up the momentum of my drawing again. The one that I'm doing now is the drawing that is about Stranger Things collaboration with Brawl Stars. This was a limited time collaboration with the release of the Stranger Things Seasons 5 that was happening last month. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I arranged all the position of the characters myself.
Feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me. Are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero. I know I shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you doing to me?